I'm teaching her. I'm not going
Look,
to
she's opening it. Oh, look.
Frankie, remember me?
Aw. I didn't even know she could open gifts.
Yes, you could. Oh, it's
She might
It's a
have
snow
trouble with the
globe.
box, but she's doing alright.
It's a snow globe.
You gotta take it out for her.
I'll take it out.
Look at her
That was
face.
the part she was having trouble with.
She's like, what is this?
Open up the second box.
You want to give the
I actually
camera a
don't
kiss?
think she'll listen if I read
Look
it.
at her face.
Look. You want to give the camera a kiss?
Yeah.
Just lift your lens. That's gotta be not good.
Get up a snow globe for you.
You got a little t-shirt handy?
Frankie, open up the second box. That's Frankie, no.
Open this one. Look.
Hi.
Present.
No.
Frankie, who's that? Who's it? Look, Frankie. Frankie. Who is that? Look. Who's that? No?
Frankie.
She doesn't know why with the snow globe.
Frankie. I think I put my camera.
She wants to open that one. Look from here.
But she's too old for a snow globe? When I was 20, I had a snow globe. I walked around the house with it for weeks.
Look, she's opening it. Isn't that cute?
And you know what? For Christmas, Christy gave me
I'm always here for Africa. He's ripping it.
Yeah,
I can't figure out where I put my
Open.
It's in the house though.
I really need to take my coat off.
You lost your coat.
Thanks.
No problem. Am I still angled right? Yeah.
I got this.
Wow, it's running everywhere.
She's
like, what am I supposed to do?
Turn it over so she can get the rest.
Ooh, look.
Oh my God.
It's a box. You want to see what's in the box? Let's open the box. It's going. Look, a little stuffed Dora. And you got Dora Bubble Bath. And you got a Dora Candy. And look, you got a pink hoodie. And you got massive pink camouflage pants with butterflies.
Did you say candy?
And
Did you say candy? Frankie not allowed to have candy.
You can have candy.
and she got cute cheetah rainbow pajamas.
Why you keep on with it?
I don't want to have to be just like Kelly.
Huh?
I don't want to have to be.
Aw, she likes it. So happy birthday. What? Frankie said
Thank you. Thank you.
And don't forget your snow globe. Say thank you. Aw, she always does this to Shy, I guess.
Yep.